This is our classical Greece and Rome Go Fish game. When you open it up, there's a little book here, and each of our games comes with a little booklet. The first part of the booklet has directions for each of the history games to play, and the second part has a paragraph that describes everything you need to know about that particular image. So while you're playing the card games, you're learning the history. When you open it up for the first time, you'll see that the cards are wrapped together. And here we have them on our table for you, starting with Greek thought, Greek leaders, Greek life, Greek mythology, Greek war, Greek government, Roman leaders, Roman architecture, Roman mythology, Roman military, Roman government and law, and Christianity. Once again, it's our classical Greece and Rome Go Fish game.